What's up guys, Hot Noob here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a quick review of Microsoft's Windows 10 preview. And so far I've already run into one bug. It's been like 30 seconds and I'm already running into bugs. There's just a quick little bug here. I'm sure they'll probably have it fixed in no time, but listen to this device does not work. I can't hear my microphone at all, so hopefully my voice isn't going to be too off in this video. So let's get started. Oh, we got a new start menu, and from what I've read, you can go back to the Windows 8 start menu. So, yeah, how does this deserve two version numbers here? You know, I think this should have been a feature in Windows 8. Maybe they should just call this Windows 8.2. It's totally not different yet. But I do like this over Metro. It's not as in your face, and if you do want to go back to using Metro, you can use Metro. One thing that I'm not a big fan of though is really you have no real control over the organization of your tiles here. And I mean, you're supposedly supposed to be able to resize it up and down, but I can't even do that. Oh, yeah, it doesn't even, oh, there it goes. Oh, so I guess that's a little bit buggy there. It wouldn't let me resize. But that's it. You're all sort of limited to the whole auto-arrange thing or whatever. I would have, like, you gotta do some, come on. You know, what if I want 3 panels here? You know, what if I want to give pin its own little panel? So I feel that it's a little bit limiting there. Yeah, so far I don't really see much difference. So let's open up something. Let's open up the mail. Yeah. So it pretty much just put the damn thing into a window. Yeah. Again, something that would only be really 8.2. It's really just a lot of disappointment. They didn't do a lot of changes. Task Manager, I haven't tried it yet, but let's open it up. Oh, it's still the same. So where are these changes? These differences? Yeah. So is it worth paying so much, some little bit of money to upgrade? Yeah, no. But the good news is you can get onto Windows 10 Preview, and it's kind of just Windows 7 sort of dulled with a different style. There is one good thing though, multiple desktops. So you can... Yeah, this is something that's been in with Linux for quite some time, and don't know why it took them so long. This feature for multiple desktops has actually been in part of Windows since I think like Windows XP or something. They just never, created an interface for people to use, so you'd always have to use some sort of third-party program. I even made like a Windows desktop app a while ago. And yeah, this is just some half-assed excuse. I really feel like Microsoft is becoming like Apple, and yups, we changed the layout, so we're going to make you pay another few $100 and force you to buy a new computer or whatever, just so you can have the latest of the latest. Sorry Microsoft, your fans aren't like that. We don't want to pay for a bunch of useless shit that we don't need. So yeah, well, let's try opening up the game and see what happens. I haven't tested out the compatibility, so I'm just gonna see if we can open up Rust. Okay. Not sure why that took me so many attempts to log in. Oh, Updating. Might as well pause this when it updates. Oh, it takes a while to update. Hopefully it works. I just quickly tried League of Legends here. Oh no, it doesn't work. So they made some small changes, even though everything looks the same. So yeah, we're going to have to deal with more bugs for pretty much no reason other than the start menu. And some features that have existed in Windows pretty much since Windows XP. You know, it's nothing new. Windows key tab. That's pretty much something that's been in part of Windows forever and been part of Apple, part of Linux. It's just some standard features. I don't see what all the hush or all the hype is about. It's kind of disappointing. I mean, going from Windows 7 to Windows 8, you know, you got all excited because they made a whole bunch of kernel changes and there's so much potential to be more efficient and all sorts of things, and then they ruined it with the Metro. And then now it's just like, yeah, what the fuck did they do? They didn't do anything to fix Windows 8. It's just, this should be Windows 8.3 or 8.2 or whatever. What the fuck? Alright, let's open up the game, see if I can at least play a video game. Oh, I gotta install. Oh, they finally. I haven't played Rust in a while, but apparently they just added in some anti-cheat stuff because, as you all know, uh, Steam has horrible anti-cheats, so it's good stuff. Really. So far, it opens up. Let's see. No. Pretty sad. It changed the game quite a bit since I last played it. Ah. So far, you know, game seems to be working. Just League of Legends doesn't work, and it's gonna be real sad. Gotta deal with another load of bugs for no reason. Anywho, yeah, this is Hot Noob here. Please subscribe.